Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We multiply by x on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x squared. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have to ask dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by the u over number 2. So du I will put in here. Next, we need to add u in here. Later that we need to minus about u. So this one divide by this one and u divide by u. So we have 1 over u minus 1 over u plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Next, this one, we have to ln of the absolute value of x. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.